Conversation between two friends about admission to school. Hi, Dolly.
What a surprise, Jennifer. When did you come from London?
I just came from London yesterday.
How are you?
I am good. How about you?
I am fine, and I am glad to see you.
Has your daughter got admission in the school?
She didn't get admission in first try. But how did you know?
You told me last time.
Oh. I really forgot.
But why didn't she get admission in first try?
We went to the school principal 1 month ago, but he asked us to come on the 13th of June.
So, didn't you go on the 13th of June?
Yes. We went, but we saw that the school program was going on. So, we asked a girl, what kind of program is going on? She told us that this program is for those who are newly admitted.
What happened after that?
After that, we went to the principal office again, and he told us to come tomorrow.
Did you go on the 14th of June?
Yes, we went there.
Didn't she get admission?
She got admission this time.
I am glad to hear that.
But you don't know about the admission process.
Could you please tell me?
First, it took us 2 weeks to get the domicile certificate. For that, we had to go to the office 3 times.
Is this enough for admission?
No, this is a long process. After that, it took us the same amount of time to get the income certificate.
Whose income certificate?
My husband's income certificate.
Oh.
We also had to get the caste certificate.
What is the meaning of caste certificate?
Caste certificate is a documentary proof of a person belonging to a specific caste, as categorized under the Indian Constitution.
Really, the admission process is very difficult in India.
Yes, you are right. It takes a long time.
For school admission in London, only children's birth certificates and parents' addresses are required.
Despite this, I am happy that my daughter got admission in the school.
So am I. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.